Okay, a short video on the ICS 205 update from Leeward. If you go to hamradiohawaii.com in your favorite browser, click on Leeward. Well, I'll show you something else first. Go to More Oahu, and it will show you a map of all the frequencies, repeaters, etc. on Oahu. Alright, let's go to Leeward, and that map's here as well. You go down here, you can click on the incident command. This is the most recent one, or you can click here and it'll open it up on my Google Drive. So again, this is what the Leeward set district uses, and it's closely aligned with Honolulu Police District 8. So first thing to do in an exercise or a real-world event is check to see if the repeaters are operational. If they are, then take guidance from there or report from there. If not, or they tell you to go to your Leeward command net, going to the Leeward command net is 146.4450 simplex. They're both the receive and transmit are the same. And then check into the net there. If you have a WinLink, get your WinLink up and running, and you can go to 145.090, which is the Leeward digital net, and you can send in your check-in form there as well. Then the backup for the digital command or digital net is 146.4300 simplex. Again, frequency receive, transmit's the same. 146.433. So that's the digital side for Leeward. The analog side, voice side, is 146.445. Those are your two primary nets. If the node is up, you can send reports in at 145.090. If not, you'll have to do direct or peer-to-peer in order to get them to where they need to go. This is assignment on this one is the Honolulu EOC, so they control this net. But this is how you get messages to the Honolulu Oahu EOC. You're going to go digital net 145.050 via FM peer-to-peer. And then if you can't get messages in, these are the protocols you can use. It's called the Wilderness Protocol. It's just been adjusted here for us. Leeward is down here, so every 45 minutes to 50 minutes after the hour, you have 5 minutes to send messages to the EOC. So on and off as quickly as possible. Now, if these are not being used for the other times, obviously you can send messages to there, or if there's an emergency, you can as well. But that's going to be your Leeward times to send traffic. Again, DM linked repeaters, if they're up, 146.9800 minus. PL tone of 88.5 as a primary voice to Oahu. A lot of times these repeaters are linked to the other repeaters around the island as well. Secondary voice net is 5800, so that's a simplex net for the EOC. And the call sign there is KH60CD. The relay stations for Leeward, so we have some areas in the district that's hard to get over the mountains in Waianae and Nanakuli area. You can go to 146.4450, which is the primary net for simplex for us in Leeward side, and you can try to get to there. If you can't, then go to 146.4300 and try to relay. All else fails, they have had success in going to the Leeward North, which is 146.4600 simplex, and then relaying stuff there, and then the North District will relay it back to either the EOC or to the Leeward Command Center. And then again here you got some more linked repeaters, 8600, 8800. All the PLs are 88.5 for the most part, and there's some HF stuff down here if you need it. It's important to have this form printed out and programmed into your radio to make sure everybody knows what's going on and the radios work, and then test it. We have Leeward practice sessions. Get on the net and test it with us. Somebody usually on the net, or they're happy to go over to the simplex net to see how far you can talk. Alright, thank you.